could do it. You could do it.
Pop it.
Wait a minute. I think I left my conscience in the sixth dimension. Ooh.
I'm a terrible singer. I know that. You ain't gotta tell me. What's up, everyone? I'm Monty McNorton. Welcome back to my vlog. I know I've been gone for 2 weeks. It's because my computer broke and I gotta pay $500 to get it fixed. You stupid. Today we're doing something I think is gonna be a ton of fun. We're gonna be going thrifting today. But this is gonna be a little more fun than your average thrifting video because we're gonna add a little twist to it. And for that, I gotta go to Walnut Creek to meet up with my boy, Eric Van Gogh.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Eric Van Gogh. We are here with my man Imani. I make YouTube videos. I am the owner of TLA, and yeah, we about to get lit, get live. Box 5, baby, yeah. Woo!
So what we need, Eric?
So we're at Target right now. We need a bleach bottle and rubber bands, and we'll see. Let's go. Whoop. Oh.
I am not letting you out of my sight again.
This is the second time.
What's up, everybody? I'm Imani McNorton.
It's your boy Eric Van Gogh.
And we're about to explode these with Mentos. Swag. Oh no! Yeah, it's not happening. Don't give up on us yet. Take two, take two. Eric, wait! So we're on a time crunch to look for stuff because it closes at 8. It's 7:10, closes at 8. Kind of like you already. Small?
Bro, you're like 10 feet tall.
But it's like a big small.
You're 10 feet tall.
Does it not look like a small? This might fit me. Eric's a hater. Oh, that's super tough.
Where's Waldo head ass?
Look, it's Nate. Nate's better. I wasn't trying to cap. We ended up at Chipotle after thrift shopping. We're about to do a little, what's it called? Mukbang video. It's our first mukbang video. We're gonna talk about life, situations, all that stuff that you care about, all the very important. Boring.
There's snow angel in there.
Snow angel. Beautiful.
Hey, show him where the snow angel should go.
I don't want that camera back.
Put it on your lips.
Nasty. Yes! Hey. Sick.
That was very climatic. That was exciting. Wow.
Whoa. Alright, so what are we doing now?
I just put this switch.
This feels so wrong. Hey! Let's. Alright, guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Nilo. It's your boy.
What's up, guys? It's your boy.
It's your boy Eric.
What's up, guys? It's your boy.
I have neighbors, but it's okay. It's your boy Imani and your boy Nate. Alright, so we finna make some tie-dye. First, you gotta grab the blah-da-da 3-round burst on them.
No, you ain't holding right.
Blah-da-da? You ain't a real sprayer. All right, we gotta spray it. Go ahead, spray it. We gonna spray sections right now. You see that? That's bleach in there. We gonna spray these. They gonna lay out. They gonna soak, and then we gonna wash them, and it's gonna be tie-dyed. We'll get back to you when this is all done, cause it's a tedious process.
Can you brush that?
Yeah, pop it in the ass, like rip it in the ass.
We didn't say rip. We said squeeze.
No, I can't squeeze it.
You just said you could. You could feel it.
No, like feel it, like if you,
Flashback.
Can you brush that?
Yeah.
I just proved you were wrong. You can't see it.
If I had enough strength, I could.
No, duh. If you had enough strength, you could.
You could do it. You could do it.
Pop it. 1, 2. Hiya!
That was not gonna pop.
Told you.
He said, told you.
Oh! I need everybody hold up a shirt.
Be act surprised.
hold a shirt. Look surprised, but not like stupid.
I can't do it.
Alright, sweet guys. Eric Van Gogh. Subscribe to Eric. Subscribe to Nilo. Oh, my camera's about to die. Subscribe to Will. Chillix Will. Just kidding. It's Nate. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Peace. Wow, it didn't fall. Very impressive.
Sick outros.